everyone, it's Anne Crafty Kimchi. Welcome back to my channel. I am back with a YouTube destash haul that I got from Rose's Creative Way, and I am super excited because I've always wanted to buy a destash floral bundle from her, and when she posted a video like at night, I was like, okay, this is my opportunity. I'm jumping on it, and I happen to have some flowers that Wanda had gifted to me for my birthday, and I knew firsthand they were just absolutely stunning. So when she showed the bundle, I was just like, I'm gonna jump on it. So opening this box was like happy mail. So I'm just gonna show you the floral pieces that came in the bundle, and I have to tell you, I've never seen flowers like this ever in my life. They're just so pretty, and I don't know, like just how shabby and whimsical, and I'm like, I need a special box for these. These ladies do not get to sit, I don't know, a plastic box maybe, but they're so pretty, and I don't know, I just like had my breath taken away when I opened the box, because even like the leaves that come with it, oh my goodness, the sprigs, I mean, this is just the most stunning, beautiful floral box I've ever received in my life. Even the leaves, look at these leaves, this iridescent, gorgeous. This little bundle here, they're so pretty, and I don't want to take them out of the bag. But look at all the pearls in there. So there's like two different kinds, actually three different kinds of pearls. There's like these white pearls, and then in the green flower itself, there's like green stamens, and then there's this kind of wrapped pearl. Oh my God, they're just so beautiful. Look at this beautiful wispy blue number. Oh my God, it's so pretty. I'm so happy. I'm so happy with this purchase. Look at, I'm sorry for the glare, but look at this beautiful white. I don't even know what to call these. I am not a flower expert, but girl, put these on a project. Ooh. Look at these. How beautiful are they? Oh my God. I'm never going to look at another flower again at this rate. Look how wispy and gorgeous these are. I think just holding them makes me happy. These are some peach ones. And again, gorgeous. Oh, God. Here is this little, like they're just iridescent. They have that shimmer to it. Oh my God, so pretty. We have these hot pink ones, and look, they're super long, so you can cut them into pieces. But look how wispy. I don't know. I wish there was another word, but like they're so beautiful. I just think the pearls that like kind of like hang out are just making it next level gorgeous. Oh my God. I've never seen any flowers more beautiful than these. And these are in this bag, and I wish I could take them out, but no, I'm going to keep them in here. We have these peach numbers again. Like, it comes with the pearls, and this iridescent on it is gorgeous. And then this one has like little itty bitty flowers on the side. So like by the time you're done chopping them up, oh my God, you're set. These beautiful pink ones. Oh my God, sorry. These beautiful pink ones. Look how gorgeous they are. Oh God. There are two, thank God, because these are so beautiful. I'd feel horrible cutting them up. But the iridescent sister, oh my goodness, she's so pretty. So it's like a white iridescent, but look at that shimmer on this. It's like getting Happy Mail, but I bought it. this beautiful pink number. Oh, God, I just have to open a staple because I have to show you. Look how gorgeous that is. It's like so delicate. And just with the little pearls. Oh my goodness, my heart. I'm sorry I keep saying oh my goodness because there's really no other words to describe how gorgeous these are. These are blue ones that I just shown. And then there's like, it's just like the gift that keeps on giving. These gorgeous peach ones. And I got, there's 4 of these. Oh, yes. I might have to just decorate my room with these because they're so pretty. And then, oh, here's that other pink number. That iridescent, I can't get over it. And I never used to like iridescent, but now I'm just like, okay, you're in the club because it's so extra. That little pearl circles on the back. Oh my God, I can't wait to cut them up and use them in embellishments. They're so pretty. And here's another light pink one with its beautiful crown. Obsessed. Got another one. Yes, there's 2. And then the box is coming to an end, but I have 2 of these green iridescent small little floral pieces. So pretty. And then these little flowers, and this is like, oh sorry, in a pale blue. And here's another one in a white. Oh my God, my heart. And I can't believe she fit all of this in a medium flat rate box. That is it for my haul, you guys. I'm just going to go over and swoon over my new flowers. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, everyone.